Draw an eye. Sketching outlines and shape of eye with HB pencil. Using round objects to draw around, for a neat circle to represent iris and pupil. Roughing in shaded areas. Drama is a self-taught artist and is just showing you how he does it and what works for him. Do whatever works for you. Using 6B pencil to rough in even darker shades. Dark areas around the edge of the iris and the full pupil. Shading a mid-tone on main iris, but leaving lighter areas. More dark areas including eyelashes. Starting to refine shading. Using blenders to create gradients between tones and shades. Using a tissue to blend whole picture, ready for more refining. Using rubber or eraser to create highlights. More refining of dark areas, using softer pencils. Attempting a marble swirly iris effect with pencils. Continuing refining, blending, shading, highlighting, etc. If you would like to see a full-length and more detailed video of this drawing video, please let us know by leaving a message in the comments below. just a few more details. Job done. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. If you would like to receive notifications of new videos, please ring the notification bell. Thank you, and over and out for now.